Welcome to Cash Flow Mastery, where we guide you through mastering your finances for a brighter future. With 7-2 advisors, you'll learn the essential steps to take control of your cash flow and secure your financial future. Understanding the wealth steps order of operations is crucial for organizing your personal finances. From estate planning to asset protection, each step is designed to help you manage your wealth efficiently and effectively. Cash flow is king when it comes to financial management. By setting clear goals and objectives, you can plan your cash flow to ensure you meet your financial aspirations and protect your assets. The purpose of cash flow is to leverage it towards achieving your desired objectives. Whether it's covering monthly expenses, protecting your income, or building multiple streams of income, cash flow management is key. Cash flow hurdles can slow down your journey to financial independence. By tracking your net worth and budget, and understanding the Jones Zone, you can overcome these obstacles and progress towards your goals. Cash flow multipliers are essential for maximizing your financial returns. By repeating successful strategies and leveraging behavior multipliers like patience and diversification, you can buy more time for your family and increase your wealth. Lost income can be a significant drain on your cash flow. By identifying and recovering lost income from unused services and subscriptions, you can clean up your cash flow and improve your financial situation every 6 months. The bucket allocation method is a strategic way to manage your cash flow. By dividing your income into streams for expenses, protection, and assets, you can ensure a balanced and effective financial strategy. A single bucket income scenario often leads to conflicts between monthly expenses and cash flow. However, by revealing budgets and owning your situation, you can begin to make progress and improve your financial health. Using a debit card can have zero benefits for your cash flow, offering no cash back and minimal fraud protection. It's important to consider alternative strategies to optimize your financial management. Instead of paying unnecessary fees, consider using checking accounts with minimal fees and higher rates. This can be a more profitable and efficient way to manage your cash flow and avoid common financial pitfalls. The ideal cash flow process involves eliminating repetitive decisions and automating savings. By comparing credit card rewards and making strategic decisions, you can enhance your cash flow and emotional well-being. A strategic debt payoff plan is essential for achieving financial freedom. By establishing values, creating budgets, and scheduling payments, you can effectively manage your debts and utilize helpful resources for support. Building a cash flow foundation involves proper income replacement and personal property coverage. By opening investment accounts and selecting the right assets, you can secure your financial legacy and future. To build a strong cash flow foundation, focus on proper investment accounts and asset selection. This ensures your financial legacy is protected and your future is secure. In Future You Scenario 1, multiple income streams are key to managing your cash flow effectively. By diversifying your income sources, you can cover expenses, protect your assets, and ensure financial stability. Future You Scenario 2 emphasizes the importance of a retirement portfolio in managing cash flow. By planning for retirement, you can protect your assets and maintain financial security throughout your life. Future You Scenario 3 focuses on fixed income as a stable source of cash flow. This approach ensures that your monthly expenses are covered, your assets are protected, and your financial future is secure. Future You Scenario 4 combines portfolio management with diverse income streams to optimize cash flow. This strategy aims to cover expenses, protect assets, and achieve financial goals for all clients. Personal assessment time is crucial for checking your financial pulse. By using the Financial Hub and following the course workbook, you can gain insights into your financial health and make informed decisions. As we recap, you should now have a completed financial organizer, hub, and course workbook. With these tools, along with your financial pulse results and debt payoff strategy, you're equipped to achieve your financial goals.